So I have 4 sleeve parts in front of me: upper part of the sleeve, lower part of the sleeve, upper ruffle, lower ruffle. I added a second layer of tulle. And first, I'll attach the main fabric to the tulle. The lower ruffle is made from the main fabric. First, I process the bottom of the ruffle, fold the seam allowance twice by 0.5 centimeters and stitch the finishing seam. Now, along the upper edge of the ruffle, I make one stitch with a maximum seam width of 4 mm for gathering. I fold the lower part of the sleeve in half and make small notches at the top and bottom of the center so that it's convenient to align the details, using these notches as guides. I gather it to match the length of the lower part of the sleeve. First, I connect the ruffle to the lower part of the sleeve at the center. Then I check if I've gathered the ruffle sufficiently. If needed, I gather more and pin the ruffle in place. Next, I stitch at the width of the presser foot, 0.5 centimeters. Then I finish the raw edges with an overlock. I press the seam towards the top inside of the sleeve. I set the sewing machine to the maximum stitch width. Now, I stitch one line with a maximum seam width of 4 mm to gather the ruffle. I don't need to finish the bottom of the ruffle since I folded the tulle in half. On the upper ruffle, I gather to match the line connecting the lower part of the sleeve with the upper part of the sleeve. I connect the ruffle to the upper line of the lower part of the sleeve at the center and then continue to connect it to the lower part of the sleeve with pins. Now, at the width of the head, 0.5 centimeters, I sew the ruffle. And I join the upper part of the sleeve with the lower part of the sleeve. I fold the upper part of the sleeve in half and make notches at the center top and bottom. I join the sleeve pieces, using the notches as guides. I secure everything with pins. To prevent the ruffle from getting caught in the seam when joining the upper part of the sleeve with the lower part, I secure the ruffle with pins. I stitch the seam. I finish the raw edges with an overlock. Now I join the side seams of the sleeve, stitching the seam. I also finish the raw edges with an overlock. The process of sewing the sleeve is complete. If any stage of assembling the sleeve was unclear, please write to me about it, and I will definitely help.